In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and reach date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off. And now you can change it manually. So at first you can change the time zone. You can look for it via the search area or just mark the letter and just pick the time zone that you would like to apply. Now you can change the date and time the same way smoothly. Pick the particular date and time. So let's go back to 2001. Can be, for example, 10:24. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed. And then whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just unmark the switcher. As you can see, you can also change the time format, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off and use 12-hour format clock. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.